Hello and welcome everybody. Today we are out here in Moss, Norway on Jeløya, and I am taking some photos of birds, and I am close to a bird reserve by the ocean here, and it's incredible. Just take a look at this. Well, this is the morning sun starting to rise. This video is, or this intro is taken later on actually from what you're gonna be seeing from the start, but I have gotten so many nice photos, and now I'm just taking one last lap looking for an osprey. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this one as much as I do, guys, because it's a beautiful day, some beautiful birds by the bird reserve. Enjoy. I can hear the eider. Oh. That's cool. It's pretty cool actually. But it's so while I'm driving to the new place where I'll be taking more pictures, I wanted to show you some of the photos that didn't make it in this video because I didn't have enough battery on my DJI to film while taking most of these photos. So all these are pretty nice, and they are going to be added to the overall life list for those that have not been added yet. And some of these photos were also taken with my 70 to 200 Sony f2.8 lens, and I think these photos overall are really nice. So before the video keeps on going, be sure to subscribe and like. Thank you for joining me. That's a starling. That's a nice spot. Oh, pigeon. A little great tit. Oh my god, what's that? It's a magpie. I think. Yeah, that's a magpie. I got a photo of it. But what are you? What are you? You guys can see the water down there. That's where we're going. It's so beautiful out today. Look at this. The sun, the water, everything. The birds just going crazy. They're flying. And it's so nice to be out here today. It really is. So I hope you enjoyed this one as much as I do, because this is a beautiful day. Wow. I'm so happy I went this place. It's crazy. So yeah, that's my little chat. But this place you can see in front of me here, this is a bird reserve. Not down on the left there. Oh, hello. Mr. and Mrs. Mallard are sleeping there. That's a pigeon as well, coming right at me. He left the second I tried to take a photo of him, but I think that's like maybe the måltrost. Apparently there's like a robin nearby as well. So back to walking. And here we can also increase the shutter speed a bit. But they are going crazy here. But now I'm really curious as to where I should go. Because there I can see all the common eiders. But over there the sun is more prevalent. Or more. It's more there. But yeah, there are really many birds there now. Why is it focusing on a rock? That's a beautiful bird actually. It's the Hettemåke flying down to a rock and then water. Over there, that's where I saw the osprey. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna go there now. But you know, there are some birds there I might not have taken a picture of yet. But this gull looks incredible here. Okay. So I'm not able to tell what kind of bird that was at that distance, but damn, if I actually just start looking, there's so many different there. That's the waves from the cruise. They are quite big. I'm not gonna take that risk. Even this part is broken, it seems like. Yeah, super bad. That's sketchy. Yeah, those look like scooter or skotter or whatever. Like the sjøordet in Norwegian. Back in the distance there. These might not be the ones I thought they were. Let me take a look. No. Here we are. The Dragon Mountain, as it's called. Beautiful, beautiful place. A lot of seagulls on this side here. But yeah, we're not gonna be staying here. I can show you how steep it is first. Because it goes straight down. And I don't want to fall here. But yeah. So this is the Dragon Mountain. Pretty nice. What a nice view.